Hey guys, it's Gurp Dhaliwal from captureyesstudio. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the 12 days of wedding bells. Today is day 1. If you didn't know, it's going to be 12 videos for the next 12 days until Christmas, and there will also be 6 giveaways happening on my Instagram. I'm going to be recreating the makeup look that I did on my sister for her engagement. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys have seen her on my live videos, but never have I done a YouTube video with her. But for today's video, I want to recreate her engagement look, and I hope you guys are excited for this upcoming week. We are kicking it off with this look on her, and we're gonna be going through a bridal week. I'm so excited for this. Make sure you guys subscribe. So hopefully you guys enjoy this series. Yeah, let's jump right into it.
And I'll catch you on my next time.
No, the wrong time. For moisturizer, we're gonna start off with this guy right here. Laneige. If you guys are getting ready for your own engagement or you're doing your own makeup, I would recommend that you guys use some good serums beforehand and even the night before. If you feel like you have some puffiness under your eyes, throw 2 spoons into the freezer the night before and then put them on your under eyes in the morning, and it'll just kind of help depuff. So I'm going to take a little bit of L'Oreal Infallible in Pro Matte 103 mixed with some Cover FX drops on the day of her engagement, and it just gave such a flawless look. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and put it on her eyelids. I'll kind of be explaining everything that I'm doing, but I just want this to be like a fun video. We did have some questions from you guys about the engagement. So someone asked, did you have a big engagement party or was it a small party? This was quite a large engagement party.
We were supposed to have about 450 and we ended up having almost 600.
But it was very well organized. All the families came together. I feel like everything turned out really good. We came up with a good concept of how we wanted to do the outfit, and a lot of you loved it on Instagram.
My outfit was completely designed and put together by Gurp. I'm not gonna even pretend like I knew what I was doing.
I know the brows look a little dark or like thick right now, but I'm just kind of mimicking what we did that day, and she obviously got it cleaned up and made them thinner again. But I just kind of added another line underneath to make it a little bit thicker.
My hair on my eyebrows does not grow.
Yeah, it does not.
We went to India this past year for almost 2 months, and I came back and there was like no hair on my eyebrows.
Alright guys, so that day I took the Dose of Colors KDX Desi palette, and I used these 2 brown shades. I always like to do the eyes first. Honestly, it just depends, but that day I did the eyes first because I knew it was gonna get a little messy. Even for that day, someone asked, how did you get ready? How did you do Sandy's makeup? Luckily, we had Jazz. She's a hair artist as well, who was able to do mine and Sandy's hair. She was so helpful. Just turn this way. I was able to do my makeup in there, and then also my mom's hair and makeup, and then Sandy's makeup. I feel like I'm doing a booking before going to an event. So once I was done doing hair and makeup, we went to the hall, and then I had to go and organize things there. But everything came out so nice. It was so beautifully done. I feel like the decorator, everyone did such a beautiful job. To see it come out so nicely is it's so rewarding.
A little bit difficult for me because I had to go to the back of the hall and like wait
to sit there to do like a grand entrance, which I feel like now that I think about it, I know, I was talking
wouldn't do. So it's like I felt bad because Gurp was by herself for like an hour and a half because I was sitting in the back. Every single person that would come and be like, hey, how's it going? I'm like, can you tell me what's going on? Is everything okay? Everything good?
Yeah, I think that's a tough thing for brides. When you're making like an entry for the engagement, you have to kind of like just sit in the back. That's what happens during Indian engagements. Well, it depends. I already said for my engagement, like I don't want to do that. I want to be part of the crowd and then figure it out from there.
I think if that's one thing that I wish I did a little bit different.
Yeah, I feel like you can't talk to anyone, right? Yeah. Like we have family pictures, but then Sandy's not in them. And then it's like until after, you know?
It's funny because like I felt like after when the dancing and everything started, I was playing catch up with all of our guests because I had to go say hi to all of them. That's like something that I could have already like done.
Is there anything else that you would change about the engagement? Would you change your makeup look?
No, I really liked my makeup look. I felt like it was like very something that I would do regardless if I really knew how to do eyeshadow.
I was thinking a halo eye would look good on Sandy for this, but then I just didn't like how it was going with everything. So I eventually changed this. Starting off, I put this color on the inner and outer corners. Then I took this dark brown and just added that a bit to the outer corners. And I know it looks really messy right now, but trust me, it all comes together. What I did was I took out this green, which I didn't really think that I was going to do, put it in the center of the lids. Just shut your eyes, please. And then I just kind of tapped this on. And then I felt like it was just not looking good for the inner corner. because I didn't want it to be like that halo. It just didn't go. So I took this, put it on the centers. I took a little bit of this color, which is Just a Kiss, which is really soft, kind of just looks like a bunch of champagne glitter. Put it into the inner corner and then also a little bit on top of that green. It kind of lightened the color, but it gives this like soft focus ombre look. We really did not do that much on the eyes, even though it looks like it. The main thing was more eyeliner and lashes. We did it a performance and we've been practicing for so long. It turned out so nice. We're trying to get the proper footage from the videographer just because everyone has really random angles. Everyone put so much work and effort into it. It just came out so nice. So last year when we went to India, we went with Sandy's fiance, their family, and I was able to compile a bunch of things for like their pre-engagement shots, and I made this really cool video with the save the date, and that was really nice.
It was great.
Made me feel really special because everyone was cheering. I was also MC, so as you can see there was a lot of stuff going on. I took on a lot, but I feel like when it's your own family event, you have to, when you're in it, like you cannot. The whole night was a blur for me. Like, I don't even remember half the stuff that happened. One of the best parts of the night for me was I just stayed on the stage, and when people were going up to do Shagan, I thanked them for coming, and everyone was saying, well, you did such a beautiful job of speaking in Punjabi and giving a little speech, and then also like organizing the night. And I thought that was so sweet because, like I said, when you're in it, you have no idea what's going on. And I was like, oh, I guess I did a good job.
The one thing that everyone kept asking me, did your face hurt afterwards from smiling so much?
Yep.
It's hurting so much that at one point I was like, I don't even know what to do anymore.
And you can't pause because the camera's on you.
Pictures, and in the beginning for the first like 45 minutes it's like a natural smile, and then slowly it's just turning into one of those
Or when you're like staring at me and it's so funny. The photographer really got those shots. Alright guys, so I'm done with the eyes. I'm just gonna be cleaning up underneath any like fallout that may have happened. So on Saturday that day, I did cream contour as well. I just love doing this when you are going to an Indian party. I also teach one-on-one makeup classes. If you want more information on one-on-one classes, you guys can email me. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna continue doing the makeup and we're just gonna answer some random questions.
Who is the oldest / younger sibling?
I don't know, everyone always messes this up.
Just because we look so similar. First they asked us for twins, which we're not. Then they asked us, are you guys friends? And I'm like,
no.
Most of the time.
No.
So I am the older sibling. What do you like about your sibling?
I don't know. Tough questions.
Tell me you love me. Why is my hair getting everywhere? I like the fact that
I do your makeup.
She does not do my makeup as much as everybody thinks. I will tell the story again about the fact that I didn't know how to do my makeup until I was like 22. When she told me that I look like a raccoon and that she needs to teach me how to do my makeup. At that time, I was very offended. I look back at it and she was totally right. Colored contacts, which are like hazel, and like black eyeliner everywhere. So I thought I was like a genius. Light on the mobile lid, and then like in the corner of the crease, I just took the black and made a triangle. Oh. No wonder I looked like a werewolf / raccoon. A werewolf raccoon.
Werewolf.
What do you and your sibling have in common?
Our faces, our parents, our birthday month.
Our faces. How often do you argue?
Like all the time. No, just joking. Less now.
Just out of high school, and I was like in my first year of university, maybe into second. Felt like I was like, oh, I'm like too cool. And it'd be like, oh, you should hang out with your sister, you hang out with the girl. Like, no.
Yeah.
And now we do everything together. Who keeps their room cleaner?
Sandy.
Who takes longer to get dressed?
Sandy does.
Who takes longer to do their hair?
Sandy.
Who takes longer to do their makeup?
Sandy.
So technically I'm just this like very slow turtle. Everybody gives me fake times, and even with the fake times I'm still late. Yeah. Putting on lashes is like,
don't put on lashes!
Putting on lashes is like very difficult for me.
Like come into your room and I'm already like done everything, you're like, your hair's still wet in a towel. Like, are you gonna get ready? Like, I don't know, yeah. I'm like, what?
What is something you like to do together? I mean, we do almost everything together.
Yeah, it's unhealthy.
We are each other's, never mind.
What, you're gonna say best friend?
We're not.
Yeah.
We go to movies and stuff together.
Yeah, I like to go to movies
together.
Yeah.
We run errands. Like sometimes I have to run errands, and she's like, "Should I just come for fun?"
Yeah, I did that today.
Yeah, I'm like, "Oh, okay, cool."
It's just fun, you know. Get to chit chat. Next question.
What is your sibling's biggest talent? Your biggest talent is? doing my makeup. Do you have nicknames for each other?
I call Sandy Santa.
She calls me Santa.
She brings presents, that's why. No, I don't know. It's a Sandy Santa. Sometimes clients look at like, what the?
They're like, why are you calling her that? And I'm like, no, like it's like normal. I call her Gory. It was just like, weird. You know, it's weird.
I've never really accepted that one.
She's never accepted that one. But we call her.
I'm more of a goat.
She's a goat.
The video I will do Gurp's makeup.
She's a video and Gurp's. What's Gurp?
Okay, so this is why we can never do makeup. I just keep laughing to everything.
Does your sibling have a YouTube channel? Give it a shout out. Actually she does. She has a YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys know.
Subscribe.
Subscribe below here somewhere.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That wraps up day 1 of the 12 days of wedding bells. Just remember that within these 12 days, there will be 6 giveaways happening. So make sure you guys go to my Instagram to find out more details. They will be happening every other day of this series. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.